Mama and the chicken babies. Right there. So great mama, she got an army of chicken babies there. You see, the peacocks are watching around. Wow, she's trying to come and attack me. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, wow. Okay. Bah, 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 bah. It's okay, it's okay. Bah, bah. It's okay. It's okay, it's okay, chicken. I'm not going to hurt your babies. Oh, the whole mama got angry. Mama got so angry, she came to the camera and tried to pet the camera. She's very aggressive, mama, you see? She's like, nobody gonna touch my chicken, and she's trying to run in the forest. She's trying to put her life on the way to save the chicken babies, you see? Bah, bah. Bah, bah, bah. Yeah, and she's hiding the chicken in the grass. The chicken babies are so smart. Bah, bah. It's okay. Calm down. Everything is fine. I'm just taking a video of your babies. Oh my goodness, the babies all ran around in the little grass, in the big grass. And the mama is like, don't dare come near me. She has a bunch of babies. You okay? Uh-huh. I'm just watching your little baby chickens. All right. She's so angry. Look at her. She's like, help, help, help. Somebody's going to eat my babies. Don't worry. Nobody's going to eat your babies. It's okay. Yeah. You see? The baby is running. Mama is running. Everybody's running. Okay. Need to let her calm down. All right. Bye-bye. See you. All good. Oh my goodness. Chicken mama was so angry.